Hey guys, welcome to Cute Tea Drawings. Today I'll be drawing Mutant NabNab from Garten of Banban. I'll be drawing on my tablet, but you can also follow along on paper, and please remember to like and subscribe. Okay, now let's get started. Okay, let's first start off at the top and let's draw the first eye with an oval. And then add another curve across the top. Now top underneath and on the left, let's draw another curve up. And the same on the right. And then for the ends, let's curve it back in to form the shape of each eye. And then on top, let's add one more curve, like this. Next, let's color all of the eyes in black. And that's it for the eyes. Now let's start drawing the shape of the head. Let's start near the top and let's draw a curve down on both sides. Then let's leave a gap and let's draw another curve across on top. And then from the ends, let's bring it out and curve it down. Next, let's hop to the bottom and let's draw another curve down. And the same on the right. And then angle it out from the bottoms. Now let's hop to the outside and let's draw another curve down on both sides. And that's it for the head. Now let's move underneath and draw the mouth. Let's start inside in the middle and let's draw a curve up and back down. And then underneath, let's draw a long U-shaped curve all the way near the bottom and back up. And then at the bottom, let's draw another U-shaped curve around and back up like this. And that's it for the shape of the mouth. Now let's move in and draw the teeth. Let's start at the top and let's draw a long V-shaped point down in the center. And then two more on an angle on both sides. And now let's continue the teeth down on both sides with V-shaped points. And then lastly, let's color the inside of the mouth in black. And that's it for the mouth. Next, let's move over and draw the arms. Let's start on top next to the head and let's draw a curve down on both sides. And then for the ends, let's angle it out and bring it down. Now top underneath and let's draw a small angle. And then two angles down for the underside of the arms. Then from the ends, let's angle it out. And a curve at the end to close off each hand. And then inside, let's add two curves. And that's it for the arms. Now let's move back in and let's draw the sides of the body. Underneath each arm, let's draw a bent line down and in, like this. And then one more underneath, going into the mouth. Now underneath, let's add the legs. Let's start with an angle out on both sides. And then a longer angle outwards like this. Now let's move underneath and let's draw a curve up. Angle it down and out. And then curve it down and back up to close off the bottom of each leg. And that's it for Mutant NabNab. Now let's quickly color it in. And done. Hope you enjoyed drawing along with me, and please remember to hit that like button and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching!